Hi, it's Anne here, and today's video is my finale for the final countdown Project Pan in collaboration with Jenn, who is Project Beauty here on YouTube. And yeah, this was just a really short Project Pan, 1 month long, trying to finish up some stuff that we wanted to leave back in 2023, start fresh in 2024. I've got my little it's like a little princess in the pea. He piles up on the blanket, he'll push up the blanket and pile up on it. It's super cute. Anyway, that's my foster dog, Angus. So let's get into this. Really short project, 3 to 5 products, short timeline, and I would call it a success for me personally. Let's get into the first item. The first item was my hand cream. This is the Bath & Body Works Snickerdoodle hand cream. Apologies, the lighting is a little different for me. It is not quite 4 o'clock and it's dark out. So yay winter. Although we're on the upswing, guys. Things are gonna get brighter as we go out from here. This item is not finished yet. I got really close to finishing it, but I'm not mad. I didn't expect to. I'm just trying to get my numbers here in front of me. I didn't expect to finish it. The goal for me was just to get good use out of this because I know this is the type of product. I'm not a hand cream person, but I would like to be a hand cream person. I should be. I need to start using it. Not getting any younger. It's winter time. I'm actually been really good. I'm wearing gloves now when I do the dishes or cleaning, which I never did before, which is really bad for your hands, especially with cleaning products. So yeah, putting this in the project helped me use the actual product, which I probably would not have used as much of it as I did if I hadn't had it in a project. I still would have used it, but maybe not as much. I didn't quite finish it, but I am really close to finishing it. I have to squeeze it up. That's one thing I've learned about this packaging though. I think packaging tin, more of that tin packaging is better for a hand cream because this is pretty stiff packaging and it's a little hard to squeeze now that there's not a whole lot left. So when I first put this in the project, it was 30.13 grams. It's finishing at 19.83 grams. That's a difference of 10.3 grams. Does it say how many grams are in this? Well, it's in milliliters. So it's a fluid ounce. Interesting. It says 29 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce, which 1 fluid ounce is usually 30 milliliters, I think. Anyway, I'm not a huge fan of this scent. I'm not a huge fan of a cookie scent, and the candle I'm burning right now is a cookie scent. It's not my favorite. It's an okay scent for me, but I wouldn't repurchase this scent in particular. But I already did repurchase 2 hand creams because, again, want to keep on that hand cream train, especially in the colder months here in good old Canada. The second product that I have is also a Bath & Body Works product, and it's the Fragrance Mist in the Stars. And this was one of those things, it was so far down at the bottom, so you can see the line right there. It was just finish it, and I did. I mean, there's a tiny little bit of product in there, but I can't, the sprayer, oh, no, yeah, we're not getting anything else out of this. I combo use this as a body spray and a room spray, and by room spray I mean bathroom spray when the bathroom's not smelling good. I do that a lot with body mist, especially body mist like this where it's not a favorite fragrance. Would I repurchase this? Maybe. Definitely not a full size, definitely the mini is enough for me. I think, do I still have it or did I finish it? I think I finished it. I had the moisturizing body wash in this. I would purchase the body wash, maybe a mini in the spray, but it's really not my favorite scent. It's kind of one of those more perfumey type scents, and I definitely lean towards more of a vanilla type scent. So last month this was 33.11 grams. It's finishing at 21.48 grams. That's a difference of 11.69 grams. So I'm really happy to be done with this. I don't know what to do with the little cap. And again, you can tell how old this is. It's because the old style packaging as well. But yeah, I'm really glad to have this project and have this done. Otherwise, I would still have this. I would still be working on this, but putting it in the project kind of forced me to remember to use it. Speaking of remembering to use, this next product is I would call it my only failure in this project because I kind of forgot about it. For some reason, I kind of would forget what was in this project, and I have to continually remind myself what were the items that I had in this project. And this next one was the lip gloss that I had from ColourPop, and it's the So Juicy lip gloss in the shade Partly Rowdy, and I'll try and put up the image of where it's at right now. It's probably not going to show a whole lot different. I did not use this very much. I used it today to remember to use it, to try and get some more use out of it, but I did not use it. The reason why I'm holding it like this and I'm being very delicate is the lid is cracked, and so it like gets everywhere, and this is a very sticky lip gloss, but I do like it. Although funny enough, I haven't really loved wearing it recently because this guy, he's got a lot of fur. He's a Sheltie, so he's actually double coated, so he's a lot of hair. And when I first got him, his fur was just a hot mess, and he was like molting. Like chunks of his fur was literally coming out. It's better now, but he's still very furry. So like today I threw this on and I took him out for a walk, and like I picked him up and I gave him a kiss, and I was like, oh no, and it was like I got his hair just stuck to my face, and I was like, oh, that was dumb. So yeah, so that's again kind of a downside about using this right now with having the foster dog. But I am going to keep this. So I said that at the end of this project I would call it. I haven't used as much of this as I wanted to, so I want to keep this until I finish, like, I want to get through half of this product. That's really the goal. If I can get through half of this, which I think I can do next year, then I will say goodbye to this. It's a shame because I did like this product, and just the packaging. The packaging broke when I traveled with this. I think with the airplane and the air pressure, I think it like cracked the lid, and that's why it's broken. So yeah, last month that was the beginning of this project, it was 16.76 grams. It's finishing at did I say that right? Let's start that again. Beginning of the month, it was 16.76 grams. It's finishing at 16.38 grams. That's a difference of 0.38 grams, which is not a whole lot for a thicker lip gloss, which I could have used more of. And then the fourth item that I had was kind of a cheat because there was multiples, was the Esfolio face masks, which this is one of the boxes. At one point, I had 3 boxes of this, and I'm done. So I had 4 masks. I used up one in November. I guess maybe this was a 2-month project. Why am I saying it was a 1-month project? I think it was November that we started this. Oh my God, like time's a construct. I apologize. Pretty sure we started this in November. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense now. And so I used 1 in November, and then I used 3 in December. The original plan was to use 2 in November, 2 in December, but I got really sick in November, so I only used 1. And I will be 100% honest, I used 1 today to get it done, which wasn't like a huge deal. It was like 1 a week for the month of December, which was actually fairly good. I still have, so I keep these around, like this one's empty. And this one's empty. This has a teeny little bit left in it. And then this one's the one that I used today. It's got a bit of the juice in the bottom. And I keep them, and I use that like as like a layer of my skincare at night. So I do finish up the serum, the serum that's in this. So I do fully finish them. And that's it. I have no more sheet masks. That is all the sheet masks I have. I'm done with sheet masks for now. I probably won't buy any. I'm going to try and keep it as a no-buy. I don't really see myself purchasing them in the future. I still have 3 masks. I was going to say 2, but there's 3. I've got like a clay mask, a peel-off mask, and a brightening mask. And I kind of want to finish off the peel-off one and the whatever one. It's like a clay one. Yeah, it's like purifying clay. It gets hard. I don't like using those in the winter time as much though, so I can't really finish them up in the near future, but by next year I do want to finish those up. And same with the brightening one. The brightening one's like a jelly type one, so it'll be easy to use throughout the year or any month. So yeah, I feel like for me face masks are more of a no-buy category. You know how there's certain categories it's like you just stop buying them, and that for me, sheet masks and face masks in particular is like I don't really feel the need to buy them. I can see myself maybe buying more of like a moisturizing type mask, but I do like sort of an overnight mask, just like a really heavy moisturizer now instead of just doing a face mask. So So yeah, I'm really happy about that. Again, without this project, I still would have easily had 3 of those left probably. I probably would have used 1 over the last 2 months, and then that would have been it. So I really want to thank Jenn for reaching out to me and asking me to do this project, because I needed it. I needed this. And actually, I think maybe we should do this next year. Jenn, you want to do this next year? Anybody else, you want to do this next year? I think it was November. I need to look back. It must have been beginning of November. It doesn't make sense. Yes, it was beginning of November that we did this project. So I feel like next year it's a good little project to do. And again, maybe not focusing on makeup items, because like for me, trying to finish a makeup item in 2 months, it's probably not happening. But some other stuff that's just hanging around, it's like, let's just get her done. Get her out of the collection. Move on with our lives. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, feel free to give a little thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.